Welcome, I'm filming an OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. So to get started, if you have a screen lock, well, then you can progress from the lock screen, basically from here. I don't have one, but it doesn't really change the process, so you just hold the key, power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, you will then hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up at the same time. And you will keep holding both of them till you see the logo on the device, at which point you will let go of only the power key but keep holding volume up. And once you see the recovery mode, you can let go of the volume up as well. And now you need to use both volume keys to navigate, meaning volume down goes down and up goes up. And using those keys, you want to scroll down to wipe data, factory reset, confirm it with power key, and select yes. Once you confirm that, it will give you at the bottom entry data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now should be selected by default. So press power key once more, and this will initiate the reboot of the device. Now it will be rebooting for a little bit longer than it normally does, but this device does a reset fairly quickly, so about a minute or 2 minutes, and you should see the setup screen of the device. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.